Today I'm going to talk about one of the tool which is called sonarQube. So what is sonarQube? So when I see sonarQube, then I see sonarQube as a quality management tool. Okay, this is the something which I see. Now here when we talk about the quality, then quality here is two type of quality. One is code quality and second one is test quality. So when I say test quality, here this I'm talking about the coverage process, code coverage process. Okay, so this is something which is which will be getting done in the Jacopo session, which is after the acceptance testing. Sorry. So it will be done in the test quality. Now here I am going to talk about the code quality. Now the question is, how can you get the code quality done? So there is a two ways. Okay, one of the ways manually, and there's another way which we have automated. When we do manually, it's a peer code review. We do that. Peer code review means, anyone would like to talk about it? Peer code review means anyone?
The code reviewed by your colleague.
Colleague, yes. So that is a peer code review. But here when I say automated, we call it static code review. Okay. So this static code review is done by anyone? Anyone have idea of static code review? So static code review, okay, is done by code. That's interesting, right? Code review is done by code itself. Okay, that is something which we do that. So code review the code automated way, that's called static code review. So this code can be in a different languages. Okay, so can I call this code as a rule? Will that be okay? Code review the code, that can we call it a rule? Review the code, the one which review the code, we can say rule actually. So are you comfortable with it, all of you? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now one rule, see here, one rule review the one kind of code, one kind of issues in code. Understand that? So for that we need lots of rules actually. So which will do the review, different kinds of it. So I can say rules review the code. Okay, rules review the code. Here, when I say rules, now can I call it tool? Because multiple rules, we will keep it in one tool and brand that tool with some specific name. And this tool, we call it static review tool, review the code. Are you understanding now, all of you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
now next question is, okay, you will ask me, Rajesh, what are the static review code tool we have? So let me Google it. And here some ads are there. Go for Wikipedia, list of static code analysis tool, and you will find more than 200, guys. More than 200. Sometimes I feel lost. Okay, so this is the tools. Tools specific to different languages. There are 45 different languages. For each languages, there is at least one or two tools you will find it actually. So see, that's a pretty long list. Okay, so these are the tools. Some of the tools which is very popular in the Java domain, like a check style, find bugs, MR, PMD, and all stuff like that. So now, what is the static code review tool? You understood, right, all of you?
Yes.
So sonarQube is not a static code review tool. sonarQube is a management tool, quality management tool. So what I'm talking about. So before discussing more about it, I would like to tell you why sonarQube. One simple reason I'll give you, not too much of jargon on it and theory, which will get you lost in the topic. Simple reason: 70% of the issues found in the software cause of bad code quality. Now, I don't think so I have to give you more reasoning for it. Understood? Why do we have to do the code quality, code review?
Yeah.
Simple. We ignore it, this one. See, we love doing the bug fixing. We love doing the new releases. We spend millions of dollars for it. But we don't do the static code review or peer code review. So that is the stuff. So in a DevOps, we emphasize on quality. So quality not for the software quality, but code quality, test quality, build quality, process quality, everything you have to improve it. So sonarQube, which will help you to improve the code quality. But how? So remember that I said sonarQube is not a static code tool. Static code tool which I told you. This static code tool which will have hundreds of rules, and these rules will review the code and tell you what is the problem. So what is a sonarQube? sonarQube is a quality management tool. How it works and all, I'll tell you. So here, why sonarQube? I explained it to you. How sonarQube works, this you need to understand in order to understand how sonarQube manages the quality. Okay, so let me put it in a simple way. Guys, all of you, focus on my screen. This is your laptop. Okay, this is your laptop, and this is you, me, and all of us. Okay, so now here you have a Java code, here you have a Python code, and here you have a Ruby code. Okay, so now Java code to review, you need a static code analysis tool. So how many static code analysis tool developers will use it? At least 4. So now here each developers will use 1 tool, 2 tool, 3 tool, 4 tool. For Python also 1 tool, 2 tool, 3 tool. For Ruby also 1 tool, 2 tool, 3 tool. Now you'll say, Rajesh, why we are using so many tools? The reason is one tool you won't find every types of rules to check. Security rules are different, linting rules are different, uh, some coding standard rules are different. So in a one or tool, you will not find every rules actually. Are you understanding, all of you?
Yeah.
So what will happen? This code, this is the code of Java. This is the code for Python. This is the code for Ruby, and you run all these rules on the code. All these rules in the code. All these rules in the code. How many reports you'll generate? So many reports. Now think about it. Every day you write a different rules, different reports. Now just imagine this is just a story of one developer of daily. What about if you have a 50 developer in your organization? Are you able to understand the problem for the company now? So when you look at the larger aspects of organization, can we have only one place all the tools can we have all the place, all the rules, and can we store it, the historical data, and we to see whether we are progressing or not progressing. Now this guy needs some different rules, this guy different rules. So can we manage all this stuff at one place? So that is where the sonarQube is coming into the picture. That's what I said. sonarQube is a management, quality management tool. So at the sonarQube, you can have all the SCA tools rules basically. Okay, all the reports you can store it, all the rules, reports, historical reports, different project. This belong to one project, two project, three project. You can manage a project, you can manage the access. Let's say different types of rules, you want to create a profile, so different types of profile. So here this tool will become a this sonarQube is become a platform for your entire organizations for managing the quality, rules, profile, access, and projects, and many more. Did you understand that, all of you?
Yes.
So that's the reason we call it a quality management tool. Now they have a release actually. They have a community release. They have a developer release. They have a developer release and they have enterprise release. Now we'll say what is the difference here. So let me show you here. Straightforward, you can come to this place, okay, and see the differences between the quality, community version, developer, and enterprise version. Okay, so what are the features we have? Look at this. What are the difference, comparison, and all? So if I look, tell you at the high level, all the tools are here. Security rules you can find here, and some special language support, which you nowadays you find very difficult. And here you can have a reports actually, different kind of report, and some more additions here. Okay, and some integrations are available in the developer edition only. So it's like this. So as part of the demo, I'll show you the community editions. That is more than sufficient for doing that. So yes, it's this tool is written in Java. Okay, so for this you need to have a Java installed in this. Okay, now which company has released this? So this is from the Sonatype company, and this is one of the flagship product. Okay, so now did you understand, guys, what is sonarQube and why do we need it, and so on, all of you?
Yeah.
Okay, now next question is how it works, how sonarQube works. That is the things which we need to understand. So let me show you through the image how it works. So here, this is your laptop. This is your laptop. And this is a sonarQube server. sonarQube server primarily you can divide into three parts. One is a place where you have rules. Okay, this is the rules you have. This is the web front. Web means dashboard. Very interactive dashboard, which I'll show you. Each this you can access it. And here, this is a database. This can be PostgreSQL, H2, MySQL. MySQL support used to be there. Now not anymore. MS SQL, Oracle, and all you can have it. So this is your code. Okay, I'll change the color of your code. So now what we need to do, these rules need to apply on this code. So what to do? So we need some interface, some broker sort of it in laptop. So there's one utility will be there, scanner. This scanner It can be of various type. It can be a scanner, it can be.
Thanks for watching. Want to study further? Join our training programs today.